everyone said so far, thanks for coming. People travel long distance to be here, and I think everybody appreciates it. She's always been a very self-driven, very focused child, and other people's values. And so when she met Shaan and we found out they were dating, I knew that he was automatically a wonderful person. And just to make it really short and sweet, 10 years of this is not proven that wrong at all. We're very proud to have Shaan join our family.
The fact that Kelsey is joining a family, being outgoing the way she is, being able to acclimate herself, just embracing the culture, and you could see today that she really does what she can and she really appreciates, for example, having Gansha Masa come around and help myself with Dada was extraordinary, and it's little things like that kind of represent our family.
When she makes up her mind, it's her whole self that she puts into it. Here's to Kelsey and Shaan with Kelsey's tenacity and her whole heart for her love for Shaan. Congratulations.
Thank you very much for being here this weekend for Shaan and Alka's wedding. Alka and I appreciate you being here today. Indian weddings tends to be rich in culture. That reminds me, I want to say something about Kelsey. She surprises me in how she has embraced Indian culture with genuine interest. Now, if you know Shaan, he seems calm and collected. Does not show impatience, does not show temper, does not get agitated very easily. Shaan, consider yourself lucky, you will go places. All jokes aside, I want to thank you for being here.
I want to thank you all so much for being here. It's amazing to have my favorite people in my favorite place, so thank you so much. Additionally, I just want to really thank my beautiful, amazing, talented wife. Just want to thank you for being you, and you just continuously impress everybody by just being you, so thank you, and I love you.
We all have different things that build our relationships, that are a part of who we are, and we wanted to give you just a little piece of us today and then this weekend. Welcome to our world.
so many amazing aspects to my life, just organization and beauty and all the talents in my life. So just want to thank you for being you, and I love you.